Before you watch the video, subscribe it, click on the bell icon for more notifications. Hi everybody, welcome to Agamath. This is Rakesh, and today we are going to learn about the letter series. In the before video already you have seen about the number series, and now it continues with the letter series. So let us see. Letter series means we know that A to Z letters we use, and also most of us never remember the position of each letter. Like if I give you like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, sometimes we may forget the position. So here I give some tricks to you to remember the positions of the letters, followed A1, B2, C3 like this. So first of all, we know the cricket match we see, that is T20 matches, right? So T20, that is the reason T, even when you write the position, T position is 20. So T20, here you can easily remember. And we know in alphabets we have total 26 letters. So half of the 26 is 13. So that M is 13. M is always 13 and T20, right? And we know sixth letter is fix, that is F. So FIX6. So in that way you can remember. Even if you see the H, if we just draw two lines like this, it appears like a 8. So H8. Okay. And in Telugu we call P Padharu, right? So P is the 16th position. P Padharu. Padharu means it is the 16th position. And even we have the film G7 or G7 Summit. In social we can see. So G is the position of 7. Okay. So these are the minimum where we can remember, so that when it is very closer, so before T is S19, right? And so you can carry on, that is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and this is 26. Similarly, A1, B2, C3, D4, E5, H8. So I9, J10, J10, K11, 12, 14, 15, 17, 18. So these are the positions. So to better understand the letter series, first of all you should know the positions of the alphabets. Like A1, B2, C3, D4, E5. F is 6, that is fix. Okay. G7, H8. So that we can say easily I9, J10, K11. Okay. K11, L12. So when the minimum positions of the letters are known, it is easy to find and understand the letter series. Here now we go with the next. And in letter series we have to remember a pair of these letters also. Like how to remember the pair of these letters. If you see here A to M, like A, B, C, D, M, and again the next continues here itself, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T up to Z. How to remember the pair of these letters? So there is I made some words. Look, if you look it here, like A to Z, always we use A to Z. So A to Z. BY boy, BY boy. So here it is BY boy. If you remember this word, so B is always what? With Y. Okay, think that these are the just friends. So right. And here if you see GT, GT is a train. We can see GT train we speak, GT Express. So G is related with the T. Okay, for you. F is a friend of you, so for you. Okay, and HS, high school. HS is high school. IR, Indian Railways. IR, Indian Railways. KP, Kukatpalli. Okay, KP is a Kukatpalli. LO, love. LO, love. So like this, J, Jack and Queen. In the playing cards we see this Jack and Queen, Indian Railways, high school, GT. Okay, for you. okay, and A to Z, boy. These are the letters which, and even this is also like M and man. So M is related with N. So these pairs to be remembered. Even these pairs also will help us in completing this letter series given any question. These will help you obviously. So remember, whenever A, Z, B, Y are related given in the series, so automatically we should connect with high school, GT, Jack and Queen, Kukatpalli, LO, love, MM, man, high school, Indian Railways. All these will be useful, right? Now we come to the questions. We will see. Let us see now. Here the questions we see now in the letter series. First of all, I have taken just 4 exemplar questions here. This is a series to be completed. If you observe the letters here, A, D, G, J, M, P. What is the next? So look at the positions of the alphabets. So A1, we know that, B4, G7, J10, M13, P16. So now observe the series, like if you observe the numbers, that every number is like 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 3 16. So 16 plus 3 19. Suddenly we may not get, but 19th after 20, that is T20. So its before is S. So the answer is yes. Like this you can. If you are unable to remember like this, even you can observe like how you can do. Let us see here now. Even you can manage like this. If you can do like this also, like B, C, D, E, F, G. This is one way we use to find the answer for the given letter series. Even you can do like this, that is B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. This is yes. But this takes a lot of time if you really remember the positions of the English alphabets. Now let us see this, how to do. Even I use it in this manner. I think you feel easier, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So if you observe here, in the first only one letter is left, in the next 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters, and here we leave 5 letters. That means after O, P, Q, R, S, T. That is U is the answer. Right? In this manner, if you can understand and fill the solutions. Now let us see A, Z, B, Y. Just before we have seen, these are the friends. A to Z, A, Z is a friend, B, Y, boy, C, X, and D, W. Next letter A, B, C, D with E, we get EV. If you remember the pair before I said, EV will be the answer. Right? And next here, let us see. First of all, A1, B2, C3, D4. So the next obviously it will be E5. So I got E. And the next K, L, M, N. Next is O. Right? Now if you observe these letters, T, U, V, W, and the next is X. So EOX. This method is said to be skipping method, like skipping the positions and where the letters are framed, so that this is EOX. Let us see few more questions now. Here now few more questions. A, C, D, G, H, I, M, N, O, P. If you observe, here we have first one letter, 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters. Means the answer should have 5 letters. And observe carefully here that here B is left, here E, F, 2 letters is left, G, H, I, J, K, L, 3 letters. So observe carefully, 1 letter, 2 letters are skipped, 3 letters are skipped. The next L, P, Q, R, S, T. So here U, V, W, X and Y, not Z, because we know here we have 4 letters. So 5 letters to be filled. This is one. And coming to the next, if you observe here, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B. Z after again continues like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Why I made only two letters means here if you observe 4 letters, 2 letters, 4 letters, 2 letters, 4 letters, 2 letters, 4 letters, 2 letters. So HI after you will get the answer is J. Right? So this is how the letter series are arranged. Now if you see here, now I see the first letter E, F is left. So skipping like this, E, F is left, G, H is left, I, J, K, K is left, so this is L, right? So if you look at this, E after F is skipped, G, H is skipped, I, J is skipped, so it is K, and check whether it continues in the same manner or not. L is skipped, M, right? L, so you can observe L is a constant, it doesn't change, so that this is L, F, H, it means A, B, C, D, F. Here again G is skipped, H, I is skipped, J, okay, then it should be like K should be skipped, L, okay, and M should be skipped, N, right? And again if you see the next A means LA is a constant, it doesn't change, so that here I write A. So that what is the answer means KLLA. So in this manner you will have the letter series questions. So even you need more practice. So these are just example to understand how to solve the letter series. If you practice more, you will get different questions. Thank you for watching.